and things are fairly quiet for tonight. Not so quiet up in Oklahoma, where they've already begun the effects of that big storm coming out of the Rockies. Now, for us, we've got this big, strong wind coming up out of the Gulf, and so it's quite humid. That's why we're getting all the cloud cover. But there's our dry line. On the other side of it, it's really dry and hot. And it's also a focusing mechanism to pick up some of this moisture and cause some thunder shower activity. As a matter of fact, this storm center now rolling out of the Rockies produced tornadoes in Oklahoma last night, and it's doing that again right now. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Here's Oklahoma City, here's Dallas. All this in red is under a tornado watch for tonight, and the folks up there know what kind of season this is. It's springtime season when you go to sleep, and then all of a sudden there's these wild tornadoes that spring up. So that goes down all the way into the Dallas area, and then tomorrow it gets a little bit farther south. Farther west, this is a red flag warning for high fire danger, dry winds at about 40 miles an hour. So that's also part of the storm. As far as we're concerned, we're on the humid side. You can see all that moisture streaming northbound, and that's the energy, that's the gasoline to fire the engine for tomorrow. Now, tonight, this is tonight, we expect the stormy weather exactly where it's occurring. These are the Storm Prediction Center. They're really good. And you can see how they have a possibility of getting some stormy weather all the way out here to maybe the Abilene area. That's tonight. Tomorrow, oh, it gets really interesting because it all drops south. So what happens here? Well, we have a slight chance of getting some severe weather in all of this area, Dallas to Victoria and over to Laredo. So you get the idea, something's going to be popping here. And what I'd like to say is that it's not going to be early on Saturday, it's going to be late in the day into the evening hours, and then overnight into Sunday as well. So we are definitely in the severe weather potential area. So we should be keeping our eyes open for tomorrow. Now, here's the future tracker. We start off Saturday at, 3 in the morning, right? Watch this. We go Saturday 3 in the morning till Saturday at about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. What's happening? A few little pop-up showers here and there. Then we go Saturday afternoon and evening, and what happens here? Yeah, there's the line of storms, comes in about sundown Saturday night, and it'll be pretty stormy when that gets through. In addition to that, we have this huge blob over here, according to the computer, that's going to go through us at overnight. And then on Sunday morning, it does pull away, and we get a little break for a couple of hours, but then Sunday afternoon, we get another round of showers. This is going to be thunder and lightning and heavy rain in some spots. At this point in time, I'm saying strong gusty winds, maybe some small hail, but I really don't expect any tornadoes or anything like that. Nonetheless, with the thunder and lightning, that's enough because, you get 50, 60 mile an hour winds, tree branches go down, power lines go down, your electricity goes down. So what do you do? So by bottom line, Saturday night, you're going to be home sitting and watching Netflix, okay? Or watching the news, which would be another good thing to do. We are looking at tomorrow in Port Lavaca. You're getting up to 80 degrees. It's going to be quite windy again. Cuero's getting up to about 84 as a high temperature. Most of the rain will be Saturday night. And there you see it. Saturday night into Sunday. Remember that we spring forward. And then another surge of stormy weather coming in on Wednesday of next week. I'm going to say it right here, right now. Within the next 7 days, we could see anywhere from 3 to 5 inches of rain. Wouldn't that be interesting? That's your 7-day forecast, reminding everybody we do have a QR code. Love for you to scan that. Put Crossroads Today